Hi guys, how are you? This is Manang Mimi and I will gonna show it to you how to install a ring light. So it's been a while that I'm thinking about buying a very good ring light. I have a small ring light, but I just really want to have a big one for multiple purposes. One is when I take picture of my products that I sell online, I have a very good light. And then two is I can use it when I put the beauty things. Now those people that like selfie, ring light is really very good. And also for people that likes photography, then ring light is good. And people that likes vlogging, ring light is good too. So it's the reason why I buy it. So it's multi-purpose, I can use it. So now I'm gonna install it right here. I'm gonna unbox my very big ring light that I bought from Amazon. So I just got this few days ago, but I haven't had a chance to unbox. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna unbox it. There's 3 boxes. It's very good. The pack is very good. This one is, I think, there's nothing in it. Okay. What we got is, I don't know what is this, but I have to check which one. Okay. That's how it looks. And I think this is a charger. Pretty much. I'm gonna just connect it. And this is the remote. Okay, there's the manual. Ring light installation instruction. After if this is adjustable, you can just turn the knob and you can pull it down or pull it up. Depends if you like. You can have a different position like that, or you're gonna have like that. So just see, put it like that. And this is also adjustable. They don't pay me to review their products, but I really give this as a good deal. So this is adjustable if you want it higher or lower. And besides, it's easy to install. Okay, this is really the ring light. Look how big it is. See, and all you do is you can adjust this now, both knobs here. You can put it like that, and then adjust it to the size that you like. If you want it like that. There. And if you want to adjust it, you can adjust the knob. Here it is. And I have also this colored one, the filter, different filter. And I also got this one. This is for the cell phone. If you're blogging, then you can use this. And that's first thing is you can connect like that. And then the very bottom, You can slide it in the back. Hold on, I want to show to you. See this one? You can slide it like that. And it's adjustable, so you can set it the way you want. And if you want it tighter, then that's okay too. Okay. And you can adjust that one too. Want it forward, backward, or sidewards. It's up to you. There. And lastly, I'm gonna connect this to have our first try. This is how I look when there's no light. See how it looks? It's like that. And we'll see when there's light. We'll turn this one on. Okay, we're gonna unplug this. Okay, and lock it. All you do is just turn it, and there. I'm going to use this remote. There's a remote in here. That's kind of neat. I'm gonna open this. Okay, there is this remote, and you can pair the remote in your app. You can open the Bluetooth. If you have iPhone, this is good too, because it's iPhone compatible, and Google Play. For Android, use with your phone standard camera app. There's an instruction in the box, but if you want a manual, then you can do that too. See, there it is. Okay, talking about the Bluetooth, the remote, you just pair it to the Bluetooth, turn it on, turn on your cell phone Bluetooth and pair it, and then all you do is you just turn on the side, the on and off, and then after that it will appear the shutter in your phone, and click that after you pair it, and then click this shutter one, A and B, and that's all. It's not really that hard. And if you want to take a video, all you do is click this, and it will turn on. You don't need to reach it and push. And when you turn it off, you just click it too, just like this. No light, and there is light a little bit, and you can add. It's adjustable. You can want it very bright and medium or full light. Then you're gonna adjust it to the light you want, and then that's a full. It's gonna hurting my eyes like that. That's really full light. Hi. So, and then see, like that, and if you want to purchase this, I'm not selling this, but Amazon have it. I will just show it to you here, right here, how much the price, and then after coupon. So it's nice for a vlogger because it helps brighten up the room. It's a good photography helper. So yeah, it's easy. If I was standing here, I don't need to move and reach my phone, and I'll just click in the bottom. So now I can start taking videos of my product. See how bright it is. I will just take video one by one, and here's some of the shoes. There. See, it's easy peasy. So much brighter here. Easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. The next day, this one is $6.99, but when you scan it, it's 70 cents. 70 cents. Think about that. I have more in here, but I don't want to clear that shelf. Rice cooker is supposed to be $14.99 and the clearance is $9.79 for this. Okay, this is Safeguard liquid hand soap, 26 ounces. And they have more in the store. It shows $6.99, but I asked the cashier to scan it for me and it's 70 cents. So I grab a dozen. There's still more left in the store, and this is supposed to be $5.99 and I only paid $2.99. So I saved and I clicked the coupon for this $3 off, because there is coupon in the digital in the Walgreens site, and this is supposed to be, I think, $5 something. I only paid less than $2. I think $2 or $1.99. This is the rice cooker that I paid $9. So that's how I get a good deal, and I store for the package. See, for the bigger one you cannot use up pretty quick. So this week, if you have a Walgreens near you, just go there and try. If you find anything, then ask the cashier to scan it for you, and if it's full price, then don't buy it. If it's 70 cents, then grab it. Thank you. That's a deal for the week. Bye-bye. Ubi taro ice cream. Strawberry ubi. Ubi, then makapuno. Look at that, makapuno. And ubi. Wee! Kinsay mo kaon ani, makapuno, ubi. Fine. Okay. Ano yung risotto, basta mag-shopping ka nga gigutom. Kuan. Kini among paborito. Paborito sa pamilya, oh. Okay. Ubi. Sardines, because my kid likes sardines, so I pick up that. Many more in this box. Going to the Asian store to pick up only durian, but come out a lot of stuff.